What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to add coupons to your Wix website. So as you can see here, I have my Wix studio opened and these are the websites that I have. Now one thing to note is that in order to apply coupons, you need to have added the store functionality to your website and already add products or have products to sell. Now one thing to ensure that is to select the website. Let's say I want to add coupons to my website 10 here. Now you can go ahead to apps and make sure to the app market and make sure the Wix store is installed, and then add it to your site, the store functionality. And once you did here, from the menu on the left here, from the dashboard, websites dashboard, just go to marketing, and under marketing you'll find discounts and then coupons. Click on it. And here you can add new coupons. As you can see, I don't have any coupons right now. Add new coupon. Let's say it's a discount, let's say a certain sum discount. Let's say $10, $20 discount, a percentage discount on your order, a coupon for free shipping, sale price, or buy X and get Y or Z in free. So a coupon to buy 2 items, get the third for free. Let's say I want to add a discount coupon. Name it test coupon, for example. And then the coupon name, let's say test only. The discount is 10% and apply to all products or specific products, specific category, and or all plans or all services. Let's say apply to all products and apply once per order, or you can choose to apply to each eligible, or you can choose to apply to each item in the order here. And you can include subscriptions, set the validity date here, so the coupon has an expiration date. You can limit the total number of users for this coupon, or limit to 1 user per customer. And once you've edited the settings here, just create the coupon, and now your coupon is now created and you can send it to your customers.